9.
THD03.
T.
HD03.
T.
H.
D03.
D.
03.
0.
3.
Hey, Flash, want to hear a joke?
No!
Sure.
What do you call a three-humped camel?
If this is what you've been facing,
I don't.
or you like,
No.
like you click your
What?
laptop. Maybe your
Do
previously your laptop
you
was
call?
fast or
3-humped
suddenly
camel.
3-humped
slow, you know,
camel.
and you don't even know why. There's
Pregnant.
A lot of things, there's a lot of service that you have to disable because they are running on the in the background of your PC and you don't even know how to locate them. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you two service that you need to disable. Those service, they are like mislators, like they are eating your service, your RAM, your space, and some other stuff like that. So when you disable them, your laptop is going to be faster more than before. And at the same time, I'm going to give you extra tools that you can download to use to freeze the caches on your RAM, because when your RAM is being used by another program you don't even understand, that is where your system become more slower. All right, if this is what you're looking for, you are in the right spot. Let's dive into it. All right.
Our strategy focuses on AI, data, and cybersecurity.
All right, the first tools that are service that we're going to disable is called connected user and telemetry. What this does is any service that connect to Microsoft, right, that have to be sending report, that is using your CPU, because when the traffic is being sent from your laptop to the another side, to the external, to Microsoft, whatever like that, is going to be slow automatically, because those are the services that you don't need, especially when it's your own personal laptop. You don't need them. So number one, after disable this, it's going to increase your privacy. Because imagine you're doing something on your laptop and it's busy sending it to Microsoft out there, and they are using that one for their survey, and your system is getting slow. Okay, slightly lower resources usage. Any unnecessary resources on your laptop is going to lower it, and at the end of the day, it's going to become faster. It improves the user small modern computers. Any computer, it's improved that. Less background network traffic. Any traffic that is going to be going out from your laptop to another laptop to the internet, it lowers it. Let me show you how you do this. Right, okay. You go to the menu, window R, it's going to show you the run button, then type service.msc and you press enter. Now scroll down and check connect user experience telemetry. This service is always running on your laptop, but trust me, it's one of those services that is running that you don't probably need it. So you need to disable it. Okay, let's right click it. It's gonna show you stop. So you need to stop the service first. After that, you have to right click it again and go to the properties. Yeah, you go to the properties and the startup here, startup type, there's automatic, there's delay silent, there's automatic, and there's manual, there's disable. You don't need this service on your laptop. The first thing you have to do, so the better thing to you, disable it. All right. So when you disable it, it's not going to activate when it's starting, when your system reboot, because if you don't do that, it might automatically restart. The second one that I'm going to show you today is what they call delivery optimization. And what does this do? If increasing the internet bandwidth usage, you disable it, background network, it reduces. Background network activity, it reduces. Higher data consumption reduces. Additional disk usage, you limit it. potential privacy and concern, by the time you disable it, they're not going to see more. Your privacy is more secure. Minor resources usage, all these can be one of your problem that is making your laptop slow. And how do you disable that? There's two things on Windows 11 and Windows 10. But I'm going to put you through on both. Let's start with Windows 11 first. Let's start with Windows 10 first. After that, they will now do the Windows 11, because if it's on both operating system, but let's do the Windows 10 first. What you need to do here, go to the start and go to setting. When you get to the setting, go to update and security. Then from there, go to, you see delivery optimization by the left side. When you click it, it's always on, or if it's on, disable it, because this is one of the problem that make your laptop slow. This is one of the problem that make your laptop slow. You have to disable it, and when you disable it, it should increase, because when you disable this, it's disable all those high data usage and all those ones. Now on Windows 11, you go to the tax, you go to settings, you go to update, and from the advanced options, then delivery optimization, right? Then you have to disable it. Just the same thing, just the same thing. All right. The special tool that I want to introduce to you today is what they call RAMMap, and this is to analyze memory usage, because there are some, and the importance of it is it shows exactly where RAM is being used. Maybe the application that is using your RAM unnecessarily, it's going to show you. It helps diagnose memory leak and excessive memory usage 100%. Can clear certain memory caches for troubleshooting. Most of the problem that our system normally have when they slow is because the memory caches is a lot. And mind you, when you are when the memory caches is a lot, that means your system is using the remaining memory. So you need to freeze it. Then the one that the caches is using is going to match with your normal memory. Useful for advanced user investigating performance issue. Performance means slow, your system is slow or it's not working properly. So how do you do this? Let me check you to the website where you're going to download this. All right. So what you're going to do, go to your browser and type RAMMap. First from Microsoft, download it. And after you download it, you download it. When you open it, this is the way it's going to be. Right. This is the way it's going to be on the WYSI, but you can extract it. This is the way it's going to be. And after that, you have to open your task manager and put it there. You go to performance and go to memory. Remember, we want to deal with the memory. If you see the memory here, there is 5.5 gigabyte RAM that is being used by cache memory only, and which is not going to be used by your system because it's already occupied somewhere. So what you need to do, I'm going to show you how to clear it. So what you need to do now is you need to go to RAMMap. From RAMMap, you go to empty, because you want to empty that. You need to empty it, and trust me, just check. Before it was 5.5, now it's only 340 megabytes. Then the memory that released from here is going to match to your physical memory that your system can use, and this will make your laptop more faster. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Yeah, this is meant to you from Smart Digital Learning somewhere. Signing out.